Maintaining a comfortable indoor temperature is one of the most important goals for any homeowner. When windows don't perform well, rooms can feel too warm during the day, too cool at night, or inconsistent from one space to another. Energy-efficient windows are designed to solve these issues by improving insulation and reducing unwanted heat transfer. For homeowners in Eagle, energy-efficient windows play a key role in keeping indoor spaces comfortable throughout the year. Reducing heat transfer for better temperature control. Older windows often allow heat to move freely between the outdoors and indoors. This can cause rooms to heat up quickly during warmer periods or lose warmth when temperatures drop. Energy-efficient windows are built with advanced glass and insulated frames that slow heat transfer. In Eagle homes, this helps maintain more stable indoor temperatures, making living spaces feel consistently comfortable. Keeping warm air inside during cooler months. When temperatures fall, heat loss through windows can make rooms feel chilly and increase reliance on heating systems. Drafty windows contribute to cold spots and uneven comfort. Energy-efficient windows seal tightly and retain warmth. For Eagle homeowners, this means fewer drafts and a more comfortable indoor environment during cooler conditions. Preventing overheating during warmer periods. During warmer days, sunlight and outdoor heat can enter through inefficient windows, raising indoor temperatures. This often leads to overuse of cooling systems. Energy-efficient windows help reflect excess heat while still allowing natural light inside. In Eagle homes, this reduces overheating and supports comfortable indoor temperatures throughout the day. Creating even temperatures throughout the home. Temperature inconsistencies between rooms can make a home feel uncomfortable. Older windows often contribute to these fluctuations. Energy-efficient windows help stabilize indoor temperatures by reducing heat gain and loss. In Eagle homes, this creates a more balanced and pleasant environment from room to room. Supporting efficient heating and cooling systems. When windows perform well, heating and cooling systems don't have to work as hard to maintain comfort. This results in smoother system operation and better overall performance. For Eagle homeowners, energy-efficient windows help maintain comfortable temperatures without constant thermostat adjustments. Reducing drafts and cold spots. Drafts near windows are a common source of discomfort. Even small gaps can let outside air enter and disrupt indoor comfort. Energy-efficient windows feature tight seals and improved framing that reduce drafts. In Eagle homes, this helps eliminate cold spots and enhances daily comfort. Allowing natural light without temperature disruption. Natural light makes spaces feel brighter and more welcoming, but it shouldn't come with unwanted temperature changes. Energy-efficient windows allow daylight to enter while managing heat transfer. For Eagle homeowners, this means bright interiors without sacrificing comfort. Improving comfort in every season. Energy-efficient windows are designed to perform well year-round. Whether it's keeping warm air inside or limiting heat gain, they adapt to changing conditions. In Eagle homes, this all-season performance supports consistent comfort no matter the time of year. Professional installation ensures maximum performance. Even the best energy-efficient windows need proper installation to perform as intended. Professional installation ensures windows fit correctly and seal tightly. For Eagle homeowners, expert installation helps energy-efficient windows deliver reliable temperature control and lasting comfort. A comfortable home starts with energy-efficient windows. Energy-efficient windows offer a dependable way to maintain comfortable indoor temperatures. By reducing heat transfer, preventing drafts, and supporting efficient heating and cooling, they create a more pleasant living environment. For homeowners in Eagle, energy-efficient windows are a smart investment in comfort, efficiency, and peace of mind.